Hey there, food lovers. Tired of spending hours chopping, slicing, and prepping in the kitchen? Whether you're a busy parent, a beginner cook, or a culinary pro, the right food processor can totally transform your cooking game. From compact and budget-friendly to high-powered kitchen beasts, we've rounded up the top 5 food processors that blend power, speed, and convenience in one sleek package. You can check the price and full details of each product through the links in the description below. Product number 1. Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Food Processor. The Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Food Processor is a reliable kitchen companion designed for everyday use. Equipped with a powerful 450-watt motor, it makes quick work of chopping, slicing, and pureeing a wide variety of ingredients. One of its standout features is the built-in bowl scraper, which keeps ingredients close to the blades without the need to pause and manually scrape the sides, saving you valuable time and effort. The extra-wide feed chute can fit whole vegetables like cucumbers or carrots, reducing prep time dramatically. Its 10-cup bowl provides ample capacity for both small and large batches. You also get 2 speeds and a pulse option for more precise control over texture and consistency. All removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup safe and easy. Pros: built-in scraper saves time and effort. Large capacity bowl. Dishwasher-safe parts. Cons: lightweight plastic build may not feel durable for tougher tasks. Who it's for: ideal for home cooks seeking fast, simple, and clean meal prep. Final verdict: smart, easy, and affordable, a dependable helper for daily cooking tasks. Product number 2. Ninja Professional XL Food Processor. The Ninja Professional XL Food Processor delivers exceptional performance and smart features for those who need more power in the kitchen. With a robust 1,200-watt motor, this machine effortlessly handles everything from chopping and slicing to dough kneading. What makes it especially user-friendly is its 4 Auto IQ preset programs that intelligently select the right speed and timing for each task, removing guesswork from your cooking process. The 12-cup capacity bowl is perfect for preparing meals for large families or gatherings, while the wide feed chute allows you to process larger ingredients with minimal pre-cutting. The reversible shredding disc and dual stainless steel blades produce consistently smooth, even results. All removable components are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup. Pros: powerful 1200W motor. Intelligent Auto IQ presets. Large 12-cup bowl. Cons: on the heavier side, which may limit portability or easy storage. Who it's for: best suited for serious home cooks or large households needing both speed and versatility. Final verdict: a fast, strong, and high-capacity machine that brings pro-level results to your kitchen. Product number 3. Breville Sous Chef 16-Cup Food Processor. The Breville Sous Chef 16-Cup Food Processor is engineered for cooks who demand professional performance and premium quality. Powered by a 1,450-watt induction motor, it delivers consistent, reliable output for the most demanding culinary tasks. The 5.5-inch wide feed chute easily accommodates whole vegetables and fruits, significantly reducing prep time. This processor comes with a complete chef's toolkit, including a variable slicing disc, 24 settings, shredding disc, dough blade, French fry cutter, and more, offering unmatched versatility. Its stainless steel build gives it a durable, high-end feel, while the BPA-free, dishwasher-safe bowl and parts make cleanup simple. Pros: industry-leading power. Precision tools included. Extra-wide chute. Cons: higher price point and a heavy build not ideal for small kitchens. Who it's for: perfect for cooking enthusiasts, meal preppers, or professionals who value speed, control, and quality. Final verdict: a professional-grade, long-lasting powerhouse that brings restaurant-level precision to your home kitchen. Product number 4. Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor. The Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor is a powerful and versatile kitchen tool designed to handle large meals with ease. Its 720-watt motor chops, minces, shreds, purees, and kneads dough efficiently. The 14-cup bowl fits big batches, while the wide feed tube accommodates whole vegetables, saving prep time. Simple on- and off/pulse buttons give precise control. Accessories include a stainless steel slicing disc, medium shredding disc, and chopping/mixing blade. All parts are dishwasher safe, and the detachable disc stem makes cleaning easy. Made of durable stainless steel, it combines strength and style. With a 3-year unit warranty and 5 years on the motor, it's built to last. perfect for families and serious home cooks. Pros: large 14-cup capacity, powerful 720W motor, dishwasher-safe parts. Cons: blades not adjustable, heavy for small kitchens. Who it's for: families and serious home cooks needing a reliable multitasking processor. Final verdict: powerful, versatile, and efficient, a smart choice for busy kitchens. Product number 5, BLACK+DECKER 8-cup food processor. The BLACK+DECKER 8-cup food processor is a compact and efficient appliance ideal for smaller households or those just starting to explore food prep at home. It features a 450-watt motor that capably handles daily tasks like slicing, shredding, mincing, and pureeing. The 8-cup capacity is perfect for medium-sized portions and makes it easier to store. The sharp stainless steel blade and reversible disc ensure even cuts and textures, while the easy-lock lid keeps everything secure during operation. Assembly is straightforward, making it beginner-friendly. All removable parts are dishwasher-safe, and the design is BPA-free for safe food handling. Pros: affordable and compact. Stainless steel blades, easy to clean and store. Cons: smaller capacity, not ideal for large batches. Who it's for: designed for beginners, students, or small families who want a practical and affordable kitchen tool. Final verdict: a lightweight, budget-friendly food processor that punches above its weight in everyday performance. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.